Hey guys, in today's video, I'm going to show you how to change personas in Janitor AI. Let's begin. So once you open up Janitor AI, you are going to go to the top right corner, then select your profile icon. But in my case, it's JB. After clicking on it, you're going to go to My Personas here in the middle. Select the button which says Add New. Then you go and select this downward arrow or this drop down option to where you can make some adjustments to your character. So under avatar, this is where you can drag or click and add a picture of your avatar. I will use this picture for example, then select open. Afterwards, you're going to give your persona a name. Then under appearance, you're going to talk about the appearance of your specific avatar. Then once you're done, you're going to go here to save. And if you want to change the profile picture to something else, you're going to go to this button here where it says change and then replace it with another picture. And there you go. I hope this video was helpful for you and I'll see you in the next one.